Hi and welcome to my channel Arabic Lingo, where we learn Egyptian Arabic today. Egyptian Arabic is the most common type of Arabic that is spoken. أهلا وسهلا بكم في قناتي على اليوتيوب لتعليم التحدث باللغة العربية. Today we are going to talk about the most common Arabic word. Everyone say it all the time. Come, hurry. In Arabic, يلا. So, how to pronounce come or hurry as Egyptian Arabic? When someone you need really him to finish what he is doing quickly, you will say to him يلا, يلا, يلا. Or if you need to tell him come, يلا, يلا, يلا. I hope this video teach you something for how to pronounce Egyptian Arabic. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.